I am in disbelief. So I'm sitting at my desk in my office trying to get some work done, and I hear this horrible noise. I'm like, what is that? That is not rain. So I come out here and look. No, it's hail. It is hailing. I don't know if you can see how big these things are. Look at this. Look at this. That is hail. Let's see what the temperature is. Oh, maybe 28 degrees. Look at this. Look at the road. Can you see the road? Oh my goodness. This is insane. I'm ready for spring. I am ready for spring. Get back in there. It's caught between the two doors. Get in there. You're not going outdoors. Get in there. It is so cold. Oh my goodness. Well, it's starting to slow down now, so. What are you trying to do? Huh? Silly. Crazy. What? What is wrong with you? Yeah? You just want to talk? Oh my goodness. This is so crazy. It's still coming down, just not as hard. Oh my goodness, I still have a Halloween decoration up. I did not know that. Yeah, the way I gotta get that. People are gonna think I'm crazy. Crazier than I actually am. I cannot even believe this. I am so embarrassed. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh my goodness. Set that down there for a minute. All right. Here's Betty. I guarantee you she's already pregnant again. I can almost guarantee it. All right. Just wanted to share the crazy. Oh my word. Look at the road. Ugh, I am ready for spring. All right, y'all. Over now. Well, I was going to go, but then somebody started showing their butt. Psst, stop it. You leave that alone. Psst, stop it. Stop it. Give me that. Give me that. No. What is wrong with you? You feeling your Cheerios? The guys were out here watching a movie last night before bed. I don't even know what they do. Bubba was actually sitting on top of the couch when I went to bed. What are you doing? You got itchies? You got the itchies? What are you doing? No, don't you attack that. Stop it. Stop it. No. No. You're so naughty. Please don't get in there. Please don't get in there again. There was a fire in there last night. I probably should go get some wood for Scott when he wakes up. All right. I got him a couple of pieces that ought to get him going. Get him started in a way. Let's see if there's any coal. Yeah, there's a little bit. There's a few. I'm a bit guarantee Alex has not gotten in here today. This is awful wood. The guy that we got our wood from last couple times, he's just trying to get started and really didn't know what he was doing, and this wood is just terrible. But I reckon it's better than nothing. Let's see what that does. All right. Hope you enjoyed the sight of the sleet in Oklahoma, the craziness, and Alex Kitty here being insane. What are you doing? He loves Daddy's shoes. He has a scratching post that he rarely uses. All right, y'all. See you later.